Welcome to our channel. Today we how to upgrade your programming language with Python, beginner guide step by step clearly. To upgrade your programming skills using Python, start by downloading and installing Python from the official website. Choose the version that matches your operating system. Make sure to check the box that says Add Python to Path during installation. Once installed, confirm the installation by opening your command line interface and typing Python version. Next, familiarize yourself with basic Python syntax. Begin with simple data types such as integers, floats, and strings. Practice creating variables and manipulating them through basic arithmetic operations. Move on to control flow statements such as if, elif, and else. Implement loops using for and while statements to iterate over data. Once you're comfortable, explore Python's comprehensive standard library. Learn to handle errors and exceptions with try and except blocks. Start writing small programs to reinforce your learning. Consider working on projects that interest you, such as a simple calculator or a to-do list application. Next, explore Python's object-oriented programming features. Define classes and create objects to understand encapsulation, inheritance, and polymorphism. As you gain confidence, delve into more advanced topics like functions and decorators. Learn about modules and how to create your own to organize your code better. Begin practicing with Python's extensive third-party libraries. Install libraries using pip and experiment with packages like NumPy, Pandas, or Flask. Engage with the Python community for support and resources. Join forums, attend meetups, or contribute to open-source projects. Set goals for your programming journey, tracking your progress over time. Regularly challenge yourself with coding exercises or competitions online. Be patient with yourself, understanding programming concepts takes time and consistent practice. Lastly, keep building and experimenting, as the best way to learn is by doing. Before you know it, you'll find yourself upgrading your programming skills significantly with Python. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.